Welcome! This should be Xiaomi's most powerful tablet so far, right? Xiaomi Pad 8 Pro, we're unboxing it early. This one I have is the soft light version, and I feel like the packaging is a bit smaller. Open! Indeed, this time it should be an 11.2-inch body. The one I have is in ice crystal blue, and the overall design is a full metal unibody. Also, take a look at this camera module. I'm not sure if it has anything to do with Xiaomi 17. The overall appearance is not much different from before. Let's power it on and look at the front. The soft light version, it basically doesn't pick up fingerprints, very smooth. On the front, this is an 11.2-inch LCD screen with a 3.2K resolution and a maximum refresh rate of 144 Hz. The overall screen experience is very delicate and clear. The screen ratio is 3:2. Why do I say it's Xiaomi's most powerful tablet so far? Because this time it uses a Snapdragon 8 Plus processor, so for games like Genshin Impact and Star Rail, the performance on the tablet is completely up to the task. Moreover, in the Game Center, they have added PC games this time. What does that mean? It means you can now directly play PC games like Wukong and Dual Nerve on this tablet without any issues. You just click and play. Can you handle that? Besides performance, the new Xiaomi Pad 8 Pro also uses the new Surge S3. The icons and animations have all been revamped. Personally, I feel there's no difference from what's on the phone. When using it, additionally, some details have changed. Like in this browser, let's open it and see. Doesn't it look very much like a PC processor, including things like WPS? All of these can use the PC version. Also, the split screen feature has been upgraded this time. When choosing split screen, you can achieve a 1:9 ratio, enabling a quick switch function for split screen. Like this. Every time you look at an app, it's on a big screen. Very efficient. Of course, some features like this with imaginative changes, including interconnectivity with Apple devices and even the Xiaomi Assistant and the Voice over S3 on the phone are exactly the same, so I won't elaborate further. In addition, it has a battery life of 9,200 mAh along with a 67-watt fast charge. Additionally, this time the Xiaomi Pad 8 Pro also has a dedicated keyboard and stylus. Hey, pay attention! This time the stylus surprised me a bit. It's a brand new Focus. Or the Pro Stylus. What makes it Pro? Let me demonstrate for you. This pen has no buttons at all. It's entirely touch-based. See, when you pinch it, a quick access ring appears. Quick operations, like asking Xiaomi or directly entering this Note app. The key is this quick access ring also supports various customizations. You can add many shortcut apps to it, and with a pinch, there it is. Very convenient. Moreover, this time it supports up to 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity. You can take a look at the writing lines, especially the curves like this with varying pressure. And when you're not touching the screen, there's a cursor display. Using it, there's almost no delay. Besides just a light pinch, you can also double tap like this to switch to an eraser. It's very convenient. Do you think that's all? It even supports swipe gestures. Hey, swipe again to switch videos. Ha ha ha. See? So I really strongly recommend everyone to try this pen.